Okay, guys, let me just get myself ready. This is going to be epic. Don't laugh at me when I fall. I wish I was a tiny camera in their rooms right now because I want to see their reaction. It would be funny, but I know they're gonna be like, come running to the front to see what's going on, and then it's just me popping. Where is it now? Yeah. And then it's just me. Collect, pop, and play. Anyway, look at this cutie. It's purple one. And the blue one. Hello, hello, hello. This is my show. This is my camera. You're not supposed to be in here. Move your bum. Bum bum. Let's do this.